Morning students, as I have told you earlier that we are going to take our first video on the poem written by world famous poet Robert Frost, and the title of the poem is The Road Not Taken. First of all, know something about the author of this poem. This is the picture of the author Robert Frost, and if we go about him, his full name was Robert Lee Frost. He was an American poet. He is highly regarded for his realistic depiction of the rural life. He was famous for his rural poem, and he was from America. His work frequently employed themes from the early 19th rural life in New England. This is the short introduction of the author. Now, moving forward about the poem. Introduction. This poem was first published in 1916. Shows Forrest at his best as the pastoral who combines rustic simplicity with the hidden, indirect and clarity of style and language. This poem is the masterpiece of Robert Frost. Coming to the title contains different words. Here the main thing is the road. You can see here the road is a symbol of the choice made by us in life. Road not taken. Here road is a symbol of our choice. In our life we have to take the choice in many places. You are in 9th class, in 10th, after 10th you have to make a very important choice. You have to make a very important decision. Suppose, let us take this picture. You are here at this point, 9th class. After 10th, there will be many ways before you. Many ways. You have to choose one. Like if I take example, this road goes to commerce. This road goes to science. This is arts. There are many subjects you can take. Now after 10th class, you have to take a choice. You have to take a road. You have to choose a road. Which one you want to go. Sometimes, many times we regret the choice we made, but what is done once cannot be undone. Suppose that after 10th class you choose commerce or science. Many times it happens that in 11th class you will regret for your decision. Many times it happens that you start thinking that I should take the commerce, why I have taken that science, or I have to choose arts, why I have taken the science. But remember my children, you can regret for your decision, but you cannot change your choice at this point. You can regret. दुखी हो सकते हो कि साइंस नहीं लेना था, कॉमर्स लेना था, आर्ट्स ले लेना था, आराम रहता, मजे करते, but you cannot change that. Man regrets for what he has denied himself in life rather than what he has chosen. Hence the poet has given this poem the title Road Not Taken. अक्सर क्या होता है? This is the psychology of a man. We regret for our choice. I have become a teacher. Sometimes it happens that I regret why I choose this line. I should choose the IS, or I should become the engineer. I should be a doctor. We sometimes regret, but always remember that what you have chosen at that time, at here, cannot be changed. Change नहीं कर सकते. That's why this is the most important thing. The road, and not taken means our regret. Sometimes we regret that we have these roads also. I have selected this one. There were arts and commerce and textiles and many roads in front of me. Why I have not chosen this? Why I choose this? Sometimes it happens that. So leave the symbolism and everything. We are just going to our poem. diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel the boat. And beyond the traveller, longer I stood and took down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. Writer starts with a scene of a forest. You can see in this picture, there is a forest. Here, the wood means, this word would represent forest. He said that two roads diverged in a yellow wood. One day when I was going in the forest, I found that two roads were diverged. Like in this picture, there are two roads diverged in different directions, and sorry I could not travel both. And we one traveller long I stood, because I am alone. I am only one traveller. At one time I can travel either in this road or in this road. Means I have to choose one road. Now I have to take a decision which road I want to go. I can take this or this. And look down one as far as I could to where it went in the undergrowth. Standing here, I look on both the roads. I look on these roads. From here I can see up to here. Up to here I analyze these two roads. I analyze my choices. I have two options. These ones. I am standing here. Now I start analyzing which road I should go. I start thinking what long I can think. See the first stanza, the speaker describes his position. He has been out for walking in the woods and come in between the diversion of two roads. He stands there looking as far down each one as he can see. He stands here and start looking on these two roads. He would like to try on both, but doubts he could do that. So therefore he continued to look down the roads for a long time, trying to make his decision about which road to be taken. He stands here and start analyzing these two roads. Now come to the second stanza. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim. I am standing here. I am just thinking, analyzing all the options I can analyze. जितना सोच सकता हूँ सबके बारे में सोचने लग गया. Now I have to take a choice. I see here. Because it was grassy and wanted there, thou as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Now I analyze this road. First of all, I analyze this road. When I see on this road, this was trodden by many people. I can see the grass here was trodden. इस रोड से बहुत सारे लोग गए. पता कैसे चल रहा था? क्योंकि यहाँ जो ये ग्रास थी ये टूटी हुई थी, दबी हुई थी, ट्रॉडन हो गई थी, लोगों के पैर के नीचे दब गई थी. मीन्स ये रोड में मेरे से पहले बहुत सारे लोग जा चुके थे. मीन्स अगर मैं ये चॉइस सेलेक्ट करता हूं, देन आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स. मेरे बहुत सारे सीनियर्स, मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स, मेरे बहुत सारे brothers and sisters have taken this choice. This is very common choice. This road is very common choice. A lot of people have traveled in this road. I can give you a lot of examples. My friends, my brothers and sisters, my neighbors have taken this choice. But this is the explanation of second stanza, as I told you. So come to the next. And both that morning equally they, in leaves no steps had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how they leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Now, I tested, I want to try this road. I analyzed this road. This was a clean and clear road. grass were healthy. There were no footmarks on this road. A very less footmarks. Means इस पे अभी बहुत कम लोग गए थे. ये जो second road थी एकदम clean थी. This was a clean road. This road was taken by many people, but this road was a clean one. Very few people have gone through this road. Means very few people have taken this choice. I don't have the examples. अभी इसके लिए मेरे पास examples भी नहीं थे. My friend has not taken this decision. My brothers has not taken this choice. Now I am in the confusion. Which one I should take? This one or this one? This one is taken by many people. My brothers, sisters, friends, neighbors, and this road was not taken by anyone. My known ones. Now we come to the fourth stanza. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Here is the word sigh. S-I-G-H. Now at this point when I am writing this poem, sigh means होता है relief. I can tell you with a sigh. Now I can tell you with a relief that on that day, on the day of decision making, I have taken a right choice. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by. Today I can say you with a sigh, with a relief that I have taken a right decision. On that day, on the day of decision, I have chosen the road which was less travelled by the man. Means which road was less popular. I have chosen my decision. I have taken my decision to become a poet, to a literary person. I have taken the road which is less travelled. I have no more examples. My friends have not taken that decision. मेरा कोई फ्रेंड भी पोएट बनना नहीं चाह रहा था. मेरा कोई ब्रदर, सिस्टर, नेबर कोई पोएट नहीं बनना चाह रहा था. सबने सेकंड रोड ली. सब लोग इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर, आर्किटेक्ट, सीए ये सब बनने के लिए चल पड़े. But I was alone who took the second road, which was not travelled by my friends, many peoples. ऐसा मैंने रास्ता चुना जो बहुत कम लोग जिसमें जाए. I have not taken this road. मैंने साइंस लाइन नहीं लिया, मैंने कॉमर्स नहीं लिया, मैंने आर्ट्स नहीं लिया. I have taken a very new route. I have chosen a different route. And with that decision, with the help of that decision, today I can say you with the relief that that decision make a difference. Today all of you are reading my poems only because of that decision. Only because of that decision on that day when I choose the different route, a different way. So students, you will also face this problem in your life. This is a very psychological poem written by the poet. After 1 year, you will also stand like Robert Frost. There will be many roads ahead of you. There will be the many ways of your career options. Some roads will be taken by many people like science, commerce, arts. These roads will be taken by your friends. It may happen that your best friend is taking science or commerce or arts. Now you have to take the decision. There are 2 more roads left. They were travelled by very less people in the society to become a poet, to become a scientist. These roads are taken by very less people to become a scientist, to become a poet. And these roads are taken by a lot of people. Take commerce, take science, take arts. Now you are here, you have to decide which road you are going to take. And if you take science, you take arts, you take commerce, you will be a common people. But if you take this less traveled road, इसमें कम लोग आते जाते हैं. If you take the less traveled road, it might be happen that you will become a world famous scientist. You will become a world famous poet. So it is your choice. You can do that. Only you and you can take the decision of your own career. But always remember that Robert Frost has told you that once you take a step ahead, once you